Priya, we know Polytech are an Australian pioneer when it comes to benchtop and joinery options. But for someone looking for something more unique for their project, what else does Polytech offer?
Yeah, we offer a wide range of products. Some of our new features we've got is our sticker wood.
Yes.
So they're our decorative battens. Can use as your walls panels. You can use it on the ceiling, dividers in commercial areas. We also have our thermo range, which you've already seen, with new profiles, new colours. So great for bed heads is something unique to make that project stand out from the others.
And what have we got over here?
We've also got our Serrano door, so you can use it in your wardrobes, use it as a barn door, something different again. It's got our fluted glass with all other options. We've got a large range of frames that we can use as well.
Beautiful. So if you're looking for something unique for your project, pop in and see the Polytech showroom 7 days a week here at the Build and Design Centre.